first of all, it's gotten colder as this morning has gone.
It really
on.
has.
Right. This is typically our coldest part of the day as we get closer to sunrise. And kids, as you're heading out to the bus stop, temperatures are only in the teens. But the more important thing about today's weather is that the wind chills are brutal, single-digit range. So we might be indoor recess today. Make sure you are hats, gloves, the whole thing. And if we're building some Frosties, don't worry, they're not melting anytime soon. We've got more snow on the way. We'll get to it. But some lake effect snow showers this morning in spots we've been showing you as our crews have been out driving around. Very blustery. We're only in the 20s for highs today, but it'll never really feel like 25 degrees, even though that's where we're headed because of the winds, and they're 10 to 20 miles an hour. So lake effect snows, I've circled Northeast Ohio. That is what we're dealing with at the moment. Round two, okay, no need to burn the bacon and the pancakes. We are going to see more snow develop as we get into this evening. And I do believe it's your evening commute that is going to be really impacted by this next round of snow. Right now, we're seeing some lighter snow showers. It's a lull for a lot of you, and it's a good break to have. So kind of take that breath and know that there could still be some slick spots this morning, but overall, the lake effect snow showers that we are seeing are pretty light in intensity. But even so, if these persist long enough, you'll get a trace or a quick coating on the road, which still makes for some slick travel. Speaking of slick travel, as we track through the day, watch what happens as we get into the afternoon. This is that leading edge of the clipper around 2, 3 o'clock, but it really starts to have an impact this evening. So by the time dinner time gets here, 6 o'clock, we're seeing snow west and east into downtown through Ashtabula, and then it continues to spread south into Akron and Canton, even Dover, New Philadelphia. And this is 8:30 tonight, moderate to even heavy snow at times. 10:30, it continues to snow. We see the back edge around midnight. Overnight, it will become just scattered lake effect snow showers behind the clipper, but cold. I mean, that's going to remain the case through our Thursday, but we will see some bright skies tomorrow, and it looks like snow shower chances should really start to fade. We get a little breather. We have cold weather to start Friday, and then another little blast of snow on the way. So what this all means as far as accumulation is an additional 1 to 3 to even 4 to 5 inches tonight, and then you combine that with Friday into Saturday, and some of you could be talking upwards of 10 more inches of snow on the ground. Bullseye still appears to be Geauga County, specifically those of you in Chardon. You're used to it, our primary snow belt, so just make note and we'll tweak amounts as necessary. Right now, it's some scattered snow and a lot of cold. Temperatures are in the teens, but as I mentioned, these winds are 10 to 20 miles an hour, even 22 miles an hour sustained downtown. So if you take that into account, you get the feel-like temperature or the wind chill. And right now, most of you are hovering around that 2, 3, 4, 5 degree range. You need to have a heavy coat on today. It feels like 2 in Ravenna right now. 3 is the wind chill for Akron and Canton. We'll only be in the 20s. Like I said, it'll never really feel like that, though. And here comes that next round of snow later today, especially. Up until then, it'll be some scattered lake effect. Tomorrow, we're in the 20s. Lake snows fade. 30s Friday with more snow showers possible into early Saturday. And then it's our little heat wave. We're in the 40s on Sunday and into early next week. And believe me, you're going to notice a difference in the way that feels.